So this property, actually, you can scroll through and see some of the other pictures, but notice how they took out this wall right here and opened it right on up. And so now when you walk through the door, you got straight vision to the kitchen. Open concepts are selling now. That's what people are looking for. And as you can see, it used to be like a rinky-dink hall closet right here that they closed in. And now we have these spacious bedrooms. We shifted the wall a little bit to make it work. And now we have these spacious bedrooms. And now we have a beautiful master suite. This actually used to be the restroom for the hall bathroom because it was a 3-1. It started out with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it was a 3-1. And we actually just swung the door around from the hallway here and we swung it around to the master bedroom. And then now you have this beautiful secondary master where we turned and we cut out some of the corner of the hallway.